Hello, this is Noor from Bangladesh. I came to Prakash Netralaya for training on Ayurvedic ophthalmology and Panchakarma. I came to know about Netralaya about its training from internet and decided to take two programs, especially on ophthalmology and Panchakarma, and took a training for 1 month on Ayurvedic ophthalmology. And I was quite astonished to see that the depth of knowledge that Dr. Dinesh Sharma holds in Ayurvedic ophthalmology is extraordinarily great. Not only I learned from Ayurvedic perspective regarding different disease in modern era, right, like retinitis pigmentosa, age-related macular degeneration, pterygium, blepharospasm, blepharitis, ocular dystrophy, and diseases like that. I also came to know about the Ayurvedic names of these diseases, and Ayurvedic principles which causes, especially three dosha principles which causes this disease in the modern era. Besides learning this different about these different diseases, I also come to know about how to diagnose this disease in real life practice, and how to identify different disease and the differential diagnosis between different disease. And when I came to Prakash Netralaya, I didn't think about that I would be able to learn the level of depth I learned within a very short time. And in a single word, I would tell that the level of knowledge I received from Dr. Dinesh has exceeded my expectation. Regarding Panchakarma, I learned all the five procedures: Vaman, Virechan, Vasti, Rakta Mokshan, etc. etc. And the best thing about Prakash Netralaya about is that I learned all those procedures from practical perspective. That is, there's always patients on whom I can see these procedures going around. This also applies to the Ayurvedic Netra Chikitsas, that means ophthalmology. I have seen how the Sechan, Pindi, Viralak, and procedures like that, Ayurvedic procedures which are done on patients, Ayurvedic through the knowledge of Ayurveda, I have seen every day in use these procedures in everyday practice. And I would this would be my last word would be, if someone wants to learn about different Ayurvedic principles, especially on ophthalmology and Panchakarma, definitely the destination would be, from my recommendation, with Prakash Netralaya. Thank you.